Hey guys! Hi Christina.
Hi.
So yeah, we are on Skyblock.
This episode of Skyblock.
Yeah.
So now this is Haley's perspective. The one before that was my perspective.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we did a little bit of work on our island, not that much because we are like doing a whole bunch of stuff with the channel, and so
Yeah. What are you doing? You're like killing yourself. Well, I did that, so it's not a problem.
I needed to get the cacti.
The cacti. Alright, so in the last episode we kind of finished our cave slash what's this called? Oh yeah, generator thing. And yeah, it looks pretty successful and stuff, and I like it, and I'm pretty sure Christina does too. Yeah.
Okay.
I have a lot of lag on this, Christina.
I wasn't that laggy when I was recording.
Oh. Well, I didn't really use the pro thing, so.
I don't have the pro thing.
Oh. Then that makes two of us. Alright. Okay. So, what are we? Ooh, we got diamonds, leather. That's good. Okay. So, shall we start expanding the island, or?
Yeah, here, take 2 sacks of cobble and do the, slash, C space, C, cobblestone generator.
So C space cobblestone generator 4. I think I spelled that right. Cobblestone generator. There we go. Yeah. Oh, it's CC.
Yeah.
You always said C.
C space C.
Oh. Generator. Alright, I'm just gonna keep on doing that, I guess, so. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I don't have enough now. Yep, I still don't have enough. But anyway, I got 5 leather. That's good. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Alright, so, okay, also, this isn't online.
What? Oh, never mind, I heard you.
I was going to...
Alright, what should I do? Because I'm just standing here walking around. You know what, I'm just gonna mine some cobblestone, so why don't I do that?
It's gonna be good to get money.
Yep. I'm gonna use the iron axe. No, cobblestone's fine. Not axe, pickaxe.
Yeah.
Duh. Oh, burned on the lava. Alright, I'll be closer to it. So do you want me to get a stack, or?
No.
Wait, hold on, you get money from it too? Or? Oh,
yes.
yeah. $10.
Yeah, money you sell it at the shop, I think.
Ooh, that's a better idea.
I thought that was your idea.
No.
Oh, yeah, okay. Do you get like XP when you take things out of the burner? Because I feel like you do.
You do. Like if it's just an ore, and if you also mine coal, then yeah. So, oh, and guys, I'm sorry, I still have stuffy nose. and I sound like a dead flamingo still. So
I still sound like a dead flamingo.
yeah, that's a good thing. No, it's not. So I'm just gonna get this cobblestone. You know, I'm gonna check my phone too. Okay, I'm in a big group message with people on my phone. And of course it is chainmail. Woo! Here we go.
Oh my god, I freak out. Okay, like, I don't like how people think, like, chainmail is real, and I'm just like...
I don't, like, okay, so there's one where it says, like, if you believe in God, repost in, like, 50 seconds, for example. And then, it's like, just because I don't repost something doesn't mean that...
I'm gonna die.
Exactly, or that I don't like God, which, that's not true. Just because I don't repost something doesn't mean anything. So, yeah, that explains a lot. Like, it could be irony, though, but pretty sure it won't be. Because that stuff just can't happen by just posting and reposting stuff.
Okay, so we need 29 logs.
Huh? Wait, is there PvP? Because I just saw in the chat that said someone said come fight. Is there PvP? Because we could do that.
No.
Oh, no. Oh.
Yeah, no.
Oh. Okay, I almost have a stack. Wait, do you need a lot of cobblestone to build for the shop or whatever, or to extend our island?
Cobblestone?
Yeah. Because I almost have a stack, just so you know. I have 58. I just need 6 more, I believe.
Alright, so we need to do...
Are there any...
What's...
Wait, what? Hold on. Wait, are there any other kind of challenges except for the cobblestone? Oh, yep.
What was
You
that?
just got that challenge.
What is the nose builder challenge?
I don't know. What did you get from it?
5 dirt.
Ooh, we need to do that still.
Or pickaxe.
Wait, what?
Did it
Oh, I already have a stack of cobblestone, so.
What? Wait, what is the nose builder?
I don't know. We need to make another chest.
Yeah, I realized that.
I'm gonna do that. Even though I'm so laggy. Oh, I dropped the pickaxe. Did I? Oh, no, I picked it back up. Whoop. Everything is so laggy
So,
for
I
me.
need to do the apple collector, wheat farm, pumpkin farm, melon farmer, sugar farmer, cactus farmer, shoe picker. Until I can unlock some more challenges.
Yeah. Wait, is there like a list to see what kind of challenges there are?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Just do select, where did my sword go?
You probably put it in the chest. Okay. Oh. I see that you put some tree.
Yeah,
Okay.
just challenges.
Oh, okay. So, what should we do now? Well, first of all, we should expand the island.
Look, my tree grew.
I'm inside of your tree. Oh, lag. Lag! I'm gonna use the Pro next time. I think the Pro might be better. Oh, and I'm guessing you guys noticed, but I changed my skin, just so you know. Yeah. Christina, On Christina's perspective, it was different. It was pink, and I had a bow in the back of my hair, but now I got a flower on my head because I can and I wanna. Right? Right? Yeah? Yeah? Christina? Yeah?
What?
Never
Yeah.
mind. Alright. Whoop whoop. Okay, so I got 3 more saplings, so what should I do with them? Just plant them, I
Plant
guess?
some fixes because
I'll just put one right here, and why not over here? There we go. I got an apple.
yes.
Yes. Here, I'll put it in the chest. And since we barely have any food, I'm just gonna die real quick, so don't mind me. Just gonna die from the cacti. Woo, 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 woo. And I have half a heart, and I'm dead. Oh, XP! I totally forgot about that. Whatever. We don't have an enchantment table yet, so that's good. I shall pick up my extra XP, and I barely... Oh, nope, I got one. That's good. Okay, well, do we have any water? Like,
Yes.
water buckets?
Oh, buckets? We have 1 bucket. But
Can I
we have a
see the
water
bucket? Because I just need 1 bucket, so... Is there a bucket or no? Oh, yeah, okay. I got the buckets. Right, let me grab some of this. Do you want me to get rid of some seeds from... Do you want me to get rid of the grass on the island or no?
If you do.
Okay, I will, I guess, then. Just so it looks a bit more clear. But it's gonna break a lot of stuff, so... If this stuff breaks, then you might want to, you know, just kind of place it back again. Oop. Here we go, and I'm gonna get this one last seed here. Whatever, I'm just gonna break it like this. Not all of it, just this top little part. Oop, I broke the
That's the shop there.
thing. Huh?
I'm gonna go to the shop.
Okay.
It's so like that stone. Oh, no, they redid it.
Oh, the, what's it called? The shop?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Oh!
Nice. Yeah.
Oh, so laggy. Alright, so, we should collect some of these flowers and, like, make dye, because if they have spawn eggs, I think they do, but it's just,